Ohio. The date is March 10th, 2020. The time is 7 p.m. First, we'll do a pledge of allegiance. I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Next, we have approval of the minutes.
I move for the approval of the February 25th regular meeting minutes and the March 3rd workshop meeting minutes.
I second that. It's been moved and seconded. Mrs. Watson, will you please call the roll?
Mrs. Wright?
Yes.
Mrs. Van Haren?
Yes, motion passes. Next, we have staff reports. Miami County Sheriff is here.
Hi,
Deputy.
I'm Deputy Novelino.
Great.
I have nothing to pass along.
Great.
Yeah, that's good.
Anybody
That's
have any
that's good news.
questions for the sheriff? No?
Any concerns about traffic, accidents?
We did get complaints about high schoolers driving in excess on Ross Pisgah,
I know
which
one.
I
That-
ended up driving
It's not
up
like
and down
it's
that
a-
road and ended up pulling over a senior and citing him for going 18 over the speed limit on Pisgah. So
Wow.
I should hopefully send the message.
that was before school.
Oh.
And that's
Lovely.
not even a road you wanna speed on.
No.
Wow. Anything else from the sheriff's deputy?
No.
Okay, great. Thanks for coming out.
All right,
Thank
thanks,
you.
guys.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Have a good evening.
Next we have, a report from the fire department, Andy Earhart.
Since the last meeting, we've had 17 incidences, which is a little on the low side for us, which is a good thing. 8 EMS calls, 4 motor vehicle accidents with injuries, 2 assist calls, 3 canceled en route, and 1 was a mistaken smoke from a barbecue. So they called us on, that was our only fire call during that time frame. So it's been relatively quiet.
Okay, great. Awesome. Thank you, Andy. Next we have a report from planning and
Oh,
zoning.
sorry.
Sorry.
I have been trying to do this once a month, sorry about that. We did 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 inspections last month, fire inspections of businesses, including Best Storage, Big Mike's Gas and Go, Independent Trailer Sales, and then some of the smaller places, Elwood Country Lane Kennel. So
Okay.
their guys are continuing to do their fire inspections. Sorry, I forgot to mention that during my report.
Okay, great. Thank you. All right, now report from planning and zoning, Marty Kessler.
Thank you. You'll notice that there's a slight change in the format, the layout of the report. This is to assist Debbie with putting the minutes together for you folks the following meeting. They were making all kinds of mess for her with the tabs. So basically, we had 2 new certificate applications, pretty straightforward there. We're still running the same 3 cases for the Board of Zoning Appeals, which will be at the end of the month. We also have our 5 cases that are still running for the Zoning Commission. You heard the public hearing tonight on the 1, and then the other ones are in process. So we've had 8 certificates so far this year, 1 declaration, and then jumping down, the County Planning Commission is March 19th, not the 17th, because that's St. Patrick's Day and Election Day, and so they moved it to Thursday just in case anybody wanted to go. At 7:30 this time, we do have the 1 case, the ZA02. And then our 2 boards are meeting this month on the 26th, BZA at 6:30 for case V-02, and the Zoning Commission on at 7:30 on ZA-02. Any questions for me?
I don't have any.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next we have the administrative report, Andy Earhart.
You have 3 resolutions on your agenda tonight. The first one is for the zoning case heard at the public hearing earlier this evening, and the other 2 are changes to previous resolution. Basically what happened is there's a pay scale that gets set forth by the General Assembly for the pay scales for the trustees and the fiscal officer. We actually went up, which means our revenue plus our savings put us in a different pay scale. When Debbie was doing the information this year, we realized that, so those are adjustments to those to adjust the pay scale accordingly. So you have those two resolutions on there tonight. We've posted the videos online from the annexation workshop meeting, and as well as last week's trustees meeting. Still relatively low on viewers, so pass that word around and let everybody know that that's going on. The next public workshop meeting will be next Monday, which is March 16th. Martin Kim from MVRPC will be here as a presenter. And then it's also the announcements, but just a reminder, the day before Easter will be our township Easter egg hunt over at Friendship Park.
Great. Okay. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Public comments for items on the agenda. Does anybody want to speak about anything that's on the agenda? No? Okay, we'll move on to action items. First, we have resolution 20-03-031.
This is a resolution to approve rezoning case CA-04-19, a request from Craig and Kimberly Riviello, 5165 US 40, Tip City, Ohio 45371, to rezone 2.908 acres out of a 30.171 presently zoned A2 to R1 AAA for the purpose of creating a building lot for a family home. The newly created parcel to be approved contingent on the approval of frontage variances from the Bethel Township Board of Zoning Appeals, Miami County parcel ID number A01-043910.
I'll move for the adoption of resolution 20-03-031.
I second that. It's been moved and seconded. Any discussion? Seeing none, Mrs. Watson, will you please call the roll?
Mrs. Wright?
Yes.
Mrs. Van Haren?
Yes, motion passes. Next, we have resolution 20-03-032.
This is a resolution amending resolution 19-01-005, which established the salaries for the trustees and fiscal officer for year 2019 in accordance with section 505.24 and section 507.09 of the Ohio Revised Code.
I'll move for the adoption of resolution 20-03-032.
I will second that. It's been moved and seconded. Any discussion? Seeing none, Mrs. Watson, will you please call the roll?
Mrs. Wright?
Yes.
Mrs. Van Haren?
Yes, motion passes. Next, we have resolution 20-03-033.
This is a resolution amending resolution 20-01-006, which established the salaries for the trustees and fiscal officer for year 2020 in accordance with section 505.24 and section 507.09 of the Ohio Revised Code.
I'll move for the adoption of resolution 20-03-033.
I second that. It's been moved and seconded. Any discussion? Seeing none, Mrs. Watson, will you please call the roll?
Mrs. Wright?
Yes.
Mrs. Van Haren?
Yes, motion passes. Next, we have announcements.
On March 16th will be the community workshop meeting on land use. It'll be in the fire station again at 7 p.m. The 17th will be a trustees workshop meeting in this room at 8:30 a.m. if needed. The 24th will be back in here for a regular board meeting of the trustees at 7 p.m. BZA meeting and zoning commission meeting will be on March 26th at 6:30 and 7 respectively. March 31st will be a trustees workshop meeting. That is the 5th Tuesday one, so we may or may not have that one. April 7th is another trustees workshop meeting regularly planned at 8 a.m. And then the 11th is the Easter egg hunt at Friendship Park. 10:30 is the gathering time, and the kickoff is at 11.
Rain or shine, right?
Rain or shine.
Okay.
Slop it around in the mud.
Do we have a bunny?
Probably the same bunny that we had last year.
Perfect.
The Easter bunny,
Yes,
the real one?
the real one.
Awesome. Public comment on any topic. Does anybody want to talk about anything? No? Okay. I need a motion to record the payment of the warrants.
I move for, I need to forget how to say this, for
Electronic.
electronic payments 141 to 181 and warrants 51967-52019.
I second that. It's been moved and seconded. Mrs. Watson, will you please call the roll?
Mrs. Wright?
Yes.
Mrs. Van Haren?
Yes. Motion passes. Need a motion to adjourn.
Move to adjourn.